Welcome to the KTM Adventure Rally in Norway, where we dive headfirst into the heart-pounding world of off-road riding. In this video, we're taking you on a wild ride through a motocross track in Norway on the mighty KTM 890 Adventure R. This is no ordinary track. We're pushing the boundaries of adventure motorcycling, tackling the kind of conditions and terrain that make even seasoned riders think twice. And we're doing it in true POV style, giving you a first-hand experience of the challenges. Riding these big adventure motorcycles on motocross tracks is, well, unique. It's like trying to dance in hiking boots. So you'll get some tips on navigating these demanding conditions and making the most of it. If you've missed our complete Adventure Rally Norway experience video or the POV videos for each day, don't worry. They're just a click away in the description below. And if you're loving this content, a thumbs up, sharing, and subscribing would be more than welcome. Now, about those weather conditions. Let's talk about challenges. We're battling the elements with heavy rain and mud that would make any terrain tester break a sweat. Let's not forget the rubber beneath us. We've got Mitas E07 plus tires, the 50/50th kind. That's 50% off-road and 50% on-road. Not the optimal choice for these conditions. But hey, you ride with what you've got, right? Quick heads up, I'm not a pro rider, just a passionate off-road enthusiast. We've been riding at this for over 5 hours straight, battling relentless rain and bone-chilling cold. Let me tell you, riding in these conditions, it's a whole different ballgame. But trust me, it's where the true adventure lies. Let's get technical and break down some crucial tips to keep you rubber side down in this muddy madness. First things first, let's talk rubber. Tire choices make or break in these conditions. Look for some serious knobbies, tires designed for off-road action. And I mean knobbies that can chew through that mud and still give you control on hard surfaces. Next up, let's chat gears. When you're wading through mud, you want to be in a lower gear sometimes, right? It's all about torque and control. Keep that engine purring, and it'll be your trusty steed in these challenging terrains. Stick to the outside and choose your lines carefully. Always looking ahead, something you should do anyway. Keep the throttle open, you'll need speed to get through thicker parts of the track, and without momentum you'll slow to a crawl, literally. Keep your feet on those newly sharpened pegs as much as possible. This helps prevent your boots from accumulating mud. Now let's talk about suspension. Soften that up a bit. You need the give in your suspension to soak up the bumps. Plus, it gives you better traction. It's like having a little cushion to play with. Body position. It's all about staying centered and balanced, keeping your weight over the pegs. Lean too far back, you're going to wheelie into trouble. Lean too far forward, and you're diving headfirst into the muck. Stay centered, stay in control. Then there's the throttle control. Think of it like a throttle dance. Feather that baby. Don't give it the full beans, especially when you're in the slop. Gradual is the name of the game. When it comes to your riding gear, it's all about protection. Goggles are your best friends. They keep the mud and rain out of your eyes. Use a vented goggle lens. The vented goggle lens, or the dual pane goggle lens, won't fog up like traditional lenses, and believe us, fogging is a big issue when riding in the rain. Gloves, make sure they have some waterproof capabilities. And hey, invest in some good ones. Your hands will thank you later. There you have it. Technical tips that'll help you tackle the muddiest, rainiest, and coldest conditions out there. Stay safe, stay in control, and most importantly, stay grinning, because the real adventure begins when things get messy. Enjoy some raw POV action. If you have questions, let me know in the section below.